4. This is our part 2 recording. Let's go ahead and do number 3. So we have 5,836 divided by 39. Okay, so what can I do first? Hey, can we do 100, guys? Can we do 3,900? Yeah, that would get us a really good chunk, right? So 39 times 100. So that would get us 3,900. Subtract it out 6, 3, this becomes an 18, and this becomes a 4. So 1,936. Now what do you guys think? I heard someone say 39 times 20. Can you do that? Okay, what is 39 times 2? 78, right? Okay, so 39 times 20 would be 7. 39 times 2 is 78 plus 0 is 780, right? So 6, 13, this becomes an 8. So 1,156. Can we do that again? Okay, so 39 times 20. So 6, this becomes a 15, this becomes a 10, and this becomes a 0. So 7, 3. What do you guys think this time? We can't even do 390 times 10, or 39 times 10, right? Try 9. Okay, so 39 times 9. 9 times 9 is, put the 1, mentally carry the 8. 9 times 3 is, plus 8 is 35. So subtract. So 5, 2, so 25. So we need to add all these together, right? Because 39 can't go into 25. So 100 plus 20 plus 20 is 140 plus 9 is, so 149 remainder. Okay, next page. On your own, number 4, there are about 1,932 calories in a 14-pound watermelon. How many calories are there in 1 pound of watermelon? So 1,932 divided by 14, and then we're looking for how many calories. So what's going to go in my house?
1,932
Divided by 14, and this is number 4. Okay, so what can I do first?
14 times 100.
14 times 100, you guys agree? 1,400, right? 2, 3, 5.
14 times 4.
If we do 14 times 2, would be 28, right? So let's try that. So 14 times 20, 280, right? So 2, this becomes a 3, this becomes a 4. So 13 minus 8 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 14 times what? Can we do 10? Okay. So 2, 1, 1. What do you guys think now? 37. Okay. So 7 times 4 is 8. Mentally carry the 2. 7 times 1 is, plus 2 is, so what's left over? So 12, 10, so 14. So 14 times 1. Nothing left over. Put these in a box. Add them together. 100 plus 20 is
120.
plus 10
130.
plus 7 plus 1.
138.
So 138
Calories.
Number 5, a third team earns $891 in their prize bank. Each team member receives $81. how many members are there on the team? So $891, $81, and how many members are on this team? So number 5, what goes in our house?
$891
That's our dividend, right? What's our divisor? 81. So what can I do first? 81 times 10 equals 810, right? So 8. Then what can I do? 81 times 1, right? Which gives us 81. Nothing left over. So we put these in a box and add them. 10 plus 1 is 11. So there are 11 members. Okay, number 6. A class of 24 students collects 864 cans for recycling. Each student collects the same number of cans. How many cans does each student collect? So 24 students, 864 cans. How many cans does each student collect? So what's my dividend? 864. What's my divisor? 24. Dividend goes in the house, right? Okay, what can I do? We do times 20. Okay, what's 24 times 2? 48. So we said what? 24 times 20. So 480, right? So 4, make this a 16, make this a 7. So 8, 7 minus 4 is, we do that again? No. Okay. We do 24 times 10, which would get us 240. So 4, 4, 1. How many times does 12 go into 144? How many? 12 times, right? So divide that by 2, right? So 24 times, which gets us nothing left over. So we're going to put that in a box. 20 plus 10 is 30 plus 6 is so 36. So 36 cans. Okay, we're going to go ahead and mark off 7, 8, and 9 just lightly. So in case we need some extra work, we can come back and do it if need be. Number 10, use repeated reasoning. Alec and Wanda divide 9,237 by 24 using partial quotients. They both use the multiple of 24 to divide. Alec uses the multiple 480 and Wanda uses the multiple 720. If they each divide correctly, will they both get the same answer? Explain. So, yes or no? Wait, let's look at it this way first. Is 480 a multiple of 24? Yes, it'd be times what? 20, right? Okay. Is 720 a multiple of 24? Yes, it'd be times 30, right? 24 times 30, right? Okay. So basically, this is coming back to where I told you is what numbers you're comfortable with using, right? Okay. So Alec just multiplied by 20 and Wanda multiplied by 30. So basically, is she going to have as many steps as Alec? No. So will they still end up getting the same answer?
No.
Yes, they will still end up getting the same answer because they Wanda just won't have as many steps, right? So yes. That's because 480 and 720 are both multiples of 24, comma, Wanda, actually semicolon, Wanda just won't have as many steps. as Alec.